Hello, ladies and gentlemen. The camera is crooked. I have this is my only option, and the building behind me is actually fake. I come to you today with a pink drink. It's a lemonade, and apparently, if you're anemic, you're not supposed to really like drink any sour things because that does not help with your blood. It's barely pink, if I'm being honest. I thought it was gonna be more saturated than this. And this time I matched my outfit immediately with the drink because in my other video with the soups, I was like, okay, today I'm eating a pink, no, there's no pink soup, a green soup. Tomorrow I'm gonna wear a green outfit. Let's go through the fit. I have this dress that this is the first time I wear it. I've had it for like 7 years in my closet and this is the first time I wear it and honestly it's really pretty and cute. Next I got white shoes because I don't own these shoes. I love them so much. They're very cottagecore and I need more of those shoes because mine are just unwearable outside because they're all high heels and this one is like I can wear it whatever. And then a pink bag that my mom got me recently. She got it for basically like less than $5 and when I Google it turns out it's like this New York designer and it could like from new obviously it costs $400. So I'm really happy with that one. It's really cute. Let's go have a talk about what happened in my day today. It was really lame. It was really bland. And part of the reason why I want to keep talking back home because this is kind of a secluded area. And I've been scared. Nothing happens in here really. I haven't heard of anything. Everything happens in Montreal. With the slack that I've been having these past weeks, maybe God is gonna set an example of me. I'm being overly dramatic. Let's go talk back home. Something interesting happening to me. I'm home, by the way. Something awkward, perhaps you could say. I live in an apartment, and there's a business on the first floor, and it's like it sells smoothies. And I got the honor to meet the owner of the franchise. And what can I say? They offered me a drink once. I was thirsty as fuck. Smoothies cost $10. Of course, I was gonna take it. You know what? I took it. Okay, he chatted me up, and I was like, I'm only interested in this smoothie, whatever. And then I got home, and by I got home, I just stepped out 2 steps and got into my house. So now this man knows my house. You know how like you're recounting an events of the stories, and you're like, I should have known better because this is what happened. I feel like I'm living in it, but I'm still not in the future. Again, I came back home another day. He was there. He was like, he wanted to chat me up. I wasn't in my feels. I was feeling shitty that day, and I was like, no, thank you. I don't want to drink. I don't want to drink. And he was like chatting me up again, and I was like, please, I want to go home. Anyways, I got back home. Today, as I was going back home, he was like standing up in front of his stores, and I feel like I have to avoid this time window from now on, which is from 4 p.m. to like 8 p.m. because I guess he's there. I don't know. As he was chatting up some people, and he was in the middle of a conversation, I was like trying to sneak into my house and just like fucking be smooth with it. But of course, I had the tiny ass bag. I love it. It's pretty, but it's like such a hassle to take it off my shoulder and open it up and search for the keys. And it took a little bit of time to the point where he noticed me, stopped the conversation. He was like, oh, you, hey. And I was like, hi, I didn't see you there. I saw him. Hi, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm fine. As I was closing the door, I'm fine. I'm fine. Do you want something to drink? Oh, I'm sorry. I have this lemonade. Maybe next time though, maybe next time. Okay, you're not hungry? Do you want something to eat? No, I'm good. And I don't think any man has a good intention. So if you're saying, so I feel like if people are, maybe he's just a nice guy. No. And that's not how you run a business. You don't just offer up free drinks to everybody. So I don't think nice intentions. He wants to make friends. Mind you, this guy is like double my age, like multiply 2.5 my age. So there are no pure intentions, obviously. Yep, no, I think I'm gonna have to start using the back door in my house, which is shitty. I live here, like, I shouldn't be uncomfortable to go back home, you know what I mean? But shit, I mean, call me a gold digger, okay? What if one day I really, really want a smoothie? I still want that window open. What if I want one and I never want to spend $10 on a smoothie? You know what? Call me whatever you want. You would do the same in my situation. Okay, see you tomorrow. I got the whole side part and the flag. I only had the ASAP Rocky flag, so you're gonna have to excuse me. I'm not American. I don't randomly own an American flag. This drink is one of the drinks that I've always wanted to try. It's empty. Wait. I've always seen it in vintage movies, old movies. Let's not call everything vintage, you know what I mean? And I thought it looked so scrumptious. Oh, it's all foam. I thought it looked so scrumptious and good and sugary and unhealthy, and I want to try it. This is how I want my beer. I thought this drink has to be, I could have googled it, but it has to be American. Thus the flag and the outfits you'll see. I don't think this is gonna float. I don't think this is gonna look as good as I think it should look. It's foaming. I feel like it's gonna over foam. No. And I didn't have the ice cream scoop thing, so I had a little shot cup and I made this, whatever. I hope it works. Ooh. Ew! Looks like a ball sack. A second view because I can't hold everything up. Well, there it goes. I got this. Okay, I remember it looking way prettier than this. I got an ice cream cone too. Tell me why I thought this was gonna cost no more than $1. And I saw $7.67 on the machine, and my brain added a 0 point in front of that, so I thought it was like 79 cents or 76 cents. So I paid basically $8 for this, which scam. And my mom installed this fear in me of cancer because of maraschino cherries. Because she said that I'll get instant cancer if I eat those, so now I'm forever scared of them. And I got myself real cherries, so it's gonna sit nicely on what's not even the fucking soda anymore. I don't know what happened, damn it. Yum, soggy. $7, soggy. This is a monstrosity, big fail. I hated everything about this. Let me show you my outfit to match with this. If you were here, remember the manicure, the pedicure, the gel, the toenail incident that I had? 2 toenails survived ever since then, and it's my 2 big toes. The glue is super functional on those still. So I kind of don't want to do a zoom in on my toes currently because it's not pretty. Okay, it's not pretty. So I'm gonna need you to back off a little bit. Perfect. I can show you from afar. I feel like you're focusing on my toenails now. Don't. I really like those shoes. I thrifted them for $2. And they're very cute. They're size 36, but I'm gonna make them work because who gives a fuck. But I was really going for Americana. I should have put red lipstick, but I don't own those. And the most Americana thing I own that completes this outfit, but not really because it's not a hands across the board, thank you. So yeah, I mean shit, I did a great job, I feel like. Super excited about my next vacations that are in 3 weeks, and I'm gonna attempt to do a headstand. 2 truths and a lie. See you tomorrow. Today's drink is a matcha. Are we shocked? Are we shocked? I'm sorry if I'm blinding you with my sun in here, but I really like the way it looks on camera. Okay, I'll shut it down. If you're wondering why does it look like that, I forgot I didn't put any ice in the ice maker. Ice tray. I don't have an ice maker. Why do I look like this today? Have you ever seen me in a ponytailish? I'm in LA mode today. I even got the Apple Watch out. It's not mine. I just stole it, guys. I just stole it from someone who knows that I took it, but I just stole it. So this is like very fitting. You guys, I'm gonna put my sneakers on. Yes, without socks. I'm not gonna go look for my socks. They're right behind me, actually. I'm just too lazy to reach out for them. It's just so far away. You guys, I even have the Coach clutch. My mom just gave this to me. Isn't she the best? She just knows what's up. Even if it's not like the real thing, I don't care. It's really like, it's pink inside. I have a lot of pink things. I'm not gonna lie to you, this matcha tastes like ass. My outfit is not green. Okay, this is green. And I swear I have the same shorts, like the matching set, but I couldn't find it. And the shoes are just like blue, so it's fine. It's just the same, it's just the vibes. So put your hands so that it would support your head. Get your feet close to your body. And just kick. But I feel like the kick part is very difficult for me to do because I don't trust this position. Did I do it? Support, spread, kick. Support, spread, kick. Okay. I thought it's gonna be way more difficult than this. I'm this close. Wait. Don't be a pussy. If you fall, you won't die. See, the worst happened. The worst case happened and I'm still fine. Okay, enough for today. If I don't die, I'll see you tomorrow. I just got home from lunch with my mom and my sister. The weather is buns. As you can see, this is summer. This is June. It's almost July. What the fuck is wrong with the world? It is currently raining, but I don't think I care that much. I feel like I'm giving a monologue in an evil spy movie and I'm this hot seductress mistress that is supposed to be portrayed as the villain, but actually I am a human being with a traumatic past. The olives, mind your business. Is this a storm? This feels like a storm. It is a storm. Today's beverage is a watered down martini. Because it's still bright out, I can't be drunk at this hour. In a jar. So, I don't know what vibe is this that I'm currently delivering. Outfit. Cute little halter top. Cute little, it's not a little, it's big. Big black skirt. And then these heels that I thrifted in this channel for $10, I think. I think I'm gonna go down. It's getting really windy and cold and rainy. See you downstairs. This is a very unflattering position. I thought this was gonna be fine hot shit. It's not. I look like I just passed out from a night out, and not in a sexy way. It was getting really spooky outside. I can hear thunder. Where is the heat? The nice heat, not the burning heat. Speaking of heat, I just realized I had a weird tan because I keep wearing my ballerina flat and I forgot that I can get a tan line with my ballerina flat, and now I have this stupid ass shape on my foot that if I wear sandals or anything, God forbid. No, actually no. Changing my mind. Yes, hell yeah. Sandals and flip-flops. If I wear those, I'm gonna look stupid. Why am I gloomy today? Please. So I've been waiting for summer for a year. I forget that I have to make plans too. I shouldn't just wait for it. Let's see if I can still play my guitar. Not mine. Everything in this house is stolen, okay? Let's get that out of the way. I feel like I'm gonna regret this. Yeah, I can't stop. It's very interesting. I know this is gonna end up badly. I just can't stop. I will stop. Hey, do I remember anything? No. Okay, let's look cunty. Wait. No, wait. I feel like I'm doing. How does "Where's My Mind" go? I forgot. Chanel Orange. The perks of having this kind of car. Today's drink is a hot chocolate, and I can show you maybe if I take the lid off later. But I'm in the car, vroom vroom, we've got Channel Orange playing. I started wearing the Apple Watch unironically.
Oh god.
I know, oh god.
This isn't you.
I know.
And it doesn't even fit you either, which means it's not tracking anything properly.
Yes,
because
it's not, yeah.
So why are you wearing?
I don't know, I remember, I wanted you to help me figure out how it works.
Okay.
I couldn't access my apps. I don't know if I have apps in them. We're going there.
Nice though. Look how nice it looks out.
I know.
Crack rock. Crack rock. Crack rock. Crack rock.
So I'm having a hot chocolate, and boots, brown skirt, and brown top. Brown hair, brown everything. Let's go to the pharmacy. I'm trying to go and get myself some lash lift on a Sunday afternoon. Gonna fuck up my lashes, of course.
Yeah.
Also, I spilled myself. The second I got into the car, I literally just spilled on myself. I didn't find any. What a bummer. The day I actually was willing to buy those lash lift kits. Boring. It's chocolate themed. Damn, the golden hour is almost gone and my face looks like shit. Sunset, orange juice, and beige outfit. However, today's drink has cinnamon sticks. And don't call me weird, okay? I heat up my orange juice. For the shoes, I got with me my wedges. Actually, never mind. I don't think I look that bad. I just look tired, perhaps. This is so good. I have no tricks. I have no tricks for you today, unfortunately. I don't think so. You know what? No, this is great. Actually, 3 years ago, I would have never been able to take a picture with my iPhone camera. I couldn't even look at myself, by the way, in an iPhone camera. I couldn't bear to look at my face. I'm being insecure, but that's fine because like whenever I don't have volume in my hair, I just feel like ugh. That's why I can never go out in a slick bun, and when I do, just know I am freaking out on the inside because I know looks shouldn't matter, and I don't know, it just feels horrible. I feel horrible, and I have feathered eyebrows. Who do I think I am? I'm Titi. Hi, no drink for the day. Well, I drank it. That's the thing. It was a latte, and I wasn't able to show you because I was running late to work, and I was having a little bit of anxiety and hunger and a whole lot of things. I bet you understand. I feel like you understand. Therefore, my outfit is kind of beige and grayish, and I'm gonna leave you with this outro, this sucky outro. And next time, I promise I'll do better with the outro. Okay? Your girl is hungry.